I'm sorry for all of you. You dey use your function to play. You dey use your generation to play. You dey use your next generation.
No. Welcome to your apartment, But wetin go happen be say before you enter the house, you go put your slippers, I go put my slippers for house wey I just pay money for. Which one be house wey you just pay money for? You go put your slippers now, you no dey see, You no dey see the color of water.
I wonder.
Which kind water be this? See, na all these things I no dey like. See, na me be agent Nicodemus.
I know.
Na me be the only agent wey be say if I give you house, nobody fit collect am. You understand? When you come my office, which type of house you tell me say you need?
I tell you say I need house wey get running water.
Fine, house wey get running water. This water need dey run. E no dey run enter the gutter.
And this kind of water I go baff.
See, you don pay. If you like parking, if you like no parking.
Which style you want?